Hello friends, welcome to VK lectures. In this lecture, we are discussing the Karnataka Set 2021 question paper for physics, question number 13 and 14. The question is 13th question. If M, L, T and A represent the mass, length, time and current, then the dimension of the quantity G times epsilon naught in SI units, where G is the universal gravitational constant and epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space. Now we know that the gravitational constant and the uh, permittivity of free space, they are both used in force due to one, gravity, and you have gravity and electrostatics. Okay, now due to gravity, Fg, let us write it as G m1 m2 by r squared. Now what is this G m1 m2 by r squared? Suppose if we have two particles of mass m1 and another m2 separated by distance some r, then the gravitational force between them is given by G m1 m2 by r squared. Now suppose if these two particles has got charge q1 and q2, again the same separation, then the electrostatic force between them Fe is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2, the product of charges, by r squared. This is the magnitude of two force. Then Fg by Fe. So Fg by Fe is nothing but let us see what is the ratio between them. That is G m1 m2 by r squared divided by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r squared. Now this is equal to G m1 m2 times 4 pi epsilon naught divided by r square and r square, you can cancel it out here. So what is remaining is q1 q2. Now let us write down the dimension of Fg, dimension of the Fg divided by dimension of Fe. So what is the dimension of Fg by Fe? Because force, both are force, so Newton by Newton, so that's equal to dimension is 1 or unity, or it's a dimensionless quantity because both are units of force. So that can be written as here 4 pi does not have any unit because it's a constant. So what is remaining is G m1 m2 epsilon naught divided by q1 q2. Now what we can do is, this is unity, so G and epsilon naught, the product is what we wanted. Keep these two here and bring the all other quantities to left. So q1 q2 by q1 q2 by m1 m2. So q1 q2 by m1 m2. So let us write to indicate that this is a dimension, is equal to G epsilon naught. Now q, what is q? Charge q is equal to current into time. Current is ampere dimension of q is equal to ampere into time, so ampere into t. So this gives us q1 q2, so ampere into time, so that is square both, because this is charge and charge, so at squared divided by mass, kilogram is nothing but m squared. So in general what we got, we are getting a to the power 2, t to the power 2, m to the power minus 2. So this is a square t square m to the power minus 2. The Lagrangian of a simple pendulum is given by L is equal to half ml square theta dot square minus mgl into 1 minus cos theta, where mgl are constants and theta is the generalized coordinate. Now the Poisson bracket theta comma theta dot, this is what we are asked to find, theta comma theta dot. Now from where you can get theta dot? Theta dot is equal to we need to find this. Now let us find out what is the formula for theta and p theta. These are the theta is the generalized coordinate and corresponding momentum is p theta. So p theta is equal to dou L by dou theta dot. Now dou L by dou theta dot, so p theta equal to dou L by dou theta dot is equal to dou by dou theta dot into the Lagrangian. What is the Lagrangian? Half ml square theta dot square minus mgl into 1 minus cos theta. So this is the Lagrangian. Now what is the p theta, which is equal to dou by dou theta of L? So that's equal to, only the first term contains theta dot, this term becomes 0, derivative of this term becomes 0. So p theta is equal to half m L square, which are all constant, theta dot square becomes 2 theta dot, and that's equal to m L square theta dot. So p theta equal to ml square theta dot. From this equation we can write theta dot equal to p theta by ml square, so ml square. Now we need to find theta comma theta dot, so theta comma theta dot is equal to theta comma p theta by ml squared. So you can take the ml square out from the Poisson bracket, so 1 by ml square theta comma p theta. Theta comma p theta is nothing but 1, so that's equal to theta comma p theta equal to 1. So theta comma theta dot is equal to 1 by ml squared, so that's equal to